Welcome to the dental offices of Dr. Teresa Bello Burgos and Associates, located in 2 offices just east of Miami, Florida. We are a unique, high-tech dental practice that provides cosmetic, reconstructive, and single-visit implant dentistry. Explore our website for information about our services and how we can help you achieve that perfect smile that you've always wanted. We use the latest and the most advanced technology, including single-visit whitening, Invisalign, intraoral video exams, and dental implants. From cosmetic dentistry to restorations and reconstructions, we provide all of your family dentistry needs with professionalism and friendliness. So stop by and visit, or give us a call at any one of our offices.